Sounds drabalicious.
I'm away until tomorrow night, so I want to make sure everyone's needs are taken care of.
Fussing! Look at you with your massive list.
This list? This is what I do to make sure the whole crew's happy. These lists are what I do every day to make sure you're contented. You've got your gummy bowls with the greens removed. Did you get your foot spa?
This probably would have shown up anyway.
And you know your live TV special Nova After Nap Time is...
Next week at 5 a.m. I know.
It's tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Oh, I knew I shouldn't be going. What if something very important but completely ridiculous happens?
When is it ever?
I told you the Dress-O-Matic didn't need an all-close-at-once button.
Just give me my ice cream.
Anyway, if you need any help during the show and I'm not back, I got you the next best thing.
A captain? I've already got one.
Got your suitcase. Heavy, was it, Didge? Glad I didn't have to carry it.
Not the captain. I got you this. Ta-da! I am McLaren Pod, your virtual managerial assistant. Wibble Wattle? McLaren Pod is aware of all scheduling requirements. I've set up the McLaren Pod for your TV special. She'll get you to the show on time, has your script on autocue, and all backing tracks prepared.
This is perfect.
Now, Nova, don't overreact. Wait a minute. Did you just say perfect?
Absolutely. It's a McLaren without the fuss. I spend so much time worrying I might upset you.
You do?
You know how you get? All demanding and grumpy and upset for no reason.
Those are all you. Now, if Nova does a tantrum...
I won't want to do a tantrum if you're not here fussing.
McLaren Pod, we need to get the tantrum meter down.
McLaren Pod understands. Lowering tantrometer in 20, 19...
Start counting lower down.
1.
What happened?
Where'd my tantrum go?
McLaren Pod digitally drained off the tantrometer's frustration.
Flipping burgers. You can do that.
Drained it. Where did it go?
Into Nova 2.0, obviously. The Nova doll now contains Nova's tantrum rage.
Gah! I want things to be not like they are. Make things be not the same. McLaren! I want a door here. There should be a door. I am grumpy. I am grumpy. I am grumpy. I am grumpy. I am grumpy.
On the upside, the Jefferson's going to end up with a lot more doors than before. Ugh, no sugar.
Your sugar intake is too high.
In these situations, I find it's helpful to ask the question, W.W. McD, what would McLaren do?
She'd do this. Then this. Nova, this is all because you're so emotional. And then she'd find my doll and stop it making holes in the Jefferson before the show starts. Can we do that?
With this space age arm? Come on, we'll be unstoppable. Wait! Scent of static in the air. Can't be more than an hour old. She was right. Here.
Plus, she signed my autograph in massive pink letters on that wall.
I'm unhappy. Me want food? I'm unhappy. Make me food. I want the food that I want.
You're having a tantrum, aren't you?
This is not a tantrum. People are saying not nicenesses.
But everyone on the ship's the nicest.
See, like I said, just follow the trail. There she is.
McLaren Pod schedule conflict. McLaren Pod should be in Nova's suite.
Get the oddity odd thing. Get her before something very important but completely ridiculous happens.
I do not talk funny. I'm not Pants. I'm not weird. I am Nova.
Let's go.
Safety mode. Safety mode.
Crazy, run! I don't want to live in your spare bedroom.
Safety mode? What do you like? Now is not the time for safety. Now's the time for recklessness.
I need a door here.
They're irreplaceable.
I can also play back Nova's comments about other crew members, if that would help.
No!
I'm the worst screamy meanie. Nova 2.0. I'm so sorry. Gummy?
I came to this planet to sing songs and chew gummies, and I'm all out of gummies.
You're a Nova. Of course. You want to sing.
Well, the universe is already watching.
You know, some days, I think I wake on the wrong side of the bed. If I could start over again, I'd reinvent. Yeah, I won't mess up this time. Cause you know I was never the type to be polite, but this time you changed my mind. You showed me what it means to be kind. How could I be so blind? Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0. I was in a daze, I lost my way. All of those things, I know I said should've never left my head. If I could start over again, I'd reinvent. Yeah, I won't mess up this time. Cause you know I was never the type to be polite, but this time you changed my mind. You showed me what it means to be kind. How could I be so blind? Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0. I was in a daze, I lost my way. Now I'm Nova 2.0 on a brand new level. Yeah, I'm Nova 2.0.
Orders for the Nova dolls are crazy! We'll need to start making them immediately.
Is this how McLarens do it? Chaos occurs and McLarens manage to make it work better than ever.
That's why they call it managing.
It's the Jefferson.
I got a bit carried away, but she really flies. She's totally space ready. Are you sure this is what you all want?
I sang with Nova Jones. Imagine what other thrills could happen out there in the universe.
Adventure mode activated.
What? You never said there was an adventure mode.
You didn't read the instructions, did you?
McLaren Pod wants to see the universe as manager of her own ship.
Well, keep an eye on your crew. Be kind to them. Share any gummies.
Sid, how are you planning on getting this contraption out of here?
Nova 2.0 really is very good at making holes.